Hello wonderful people. On SureDash today, what I'm going to demonstrate to you is how to add a new link on your menu bar at your top right, and we're going to move the home button all the way to our far left. Interesting, right? Let's dive straight in. Let's go to WordPress, come down to SureDash, come down to Customize Portal. On your far right, you'll see I've added one. Let's delete that one and start again. Scroll down and delete that, and click onto your plus button. Create a page. Let's call that home. On your far right, you should see free. If you do not, go to your far right and you'll see this little tab icon. Scroll down and click onto your home. Click onto this and delete this part. Call this anything you would like on here. It could be any link whatsoever. I'm just going to make this the home page itself. Click onto save. Save again. If you come to your far left onto here and click onto home, you'll see these little arrows. Let's move it left again, and as you can see, it's now on our far left. If we go to top right and click save, if we come to this little icon, looks like a computer, you've got desktop, you've got tablet, you've got mobile, and you've got visit site. Let's have a look onto the site, and as you can see, we now got a home button here. If we just randomly click somewhere else, and let's go back, it brings us back to our home page. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give it a like and drop me a comment.